So I've never had a high maintenance dog before. Such a horrible angle, but it's okay. It's fine. Oh my gosh, let me check my legs. Horrible angle, but anyways, this is my little fatty girl. Her name is Lilac. I know they use lilac to describe a dog. Oh shoot, did I poke your eye, girl? But purple's my favorite color. Lavender was a no. Amethyst was a no.
Duchess.
Violet was a no. Like any other thing that dealt with purple was a no for me. So
Duchess.
Lilac, girl, we're not talking about that.
Yes.
So Lilac it is. She just got a bath. And yeah, so we're gonna start it off with some nail filing. Okay, we have all these products that apparently they need. Okay,
Yes,
this is my first
puppy.
Oh my god, girl. This is my first Frenchie. So yeah, so I did this to her one time before, and she wasn't even that bad actually. But you know, she just turned 11 weeks today.
Yep.
Okay, girl, we're gonna try and do our best to be fast. I got a filer because clippers scare me. It's not my first time owning a dog, but it's my first time owning a dog that I had to get pet insurance for.
You have to get pet insurance?
So Lilac here has pet insurance. She actually got her second round of shots today.
Yep.
Oops.
Are you hurting my puppy?
No, she's hurting me. She's biting me.
No, she's not. My puppy would never bite you.
So, you know, we're trying to get her used to all this because I know when I have to, like, you know, the grooming, the vet and all that, they're gonna be doing this, and I want them to be like, oh my god, your dog is amazing, she does not move, she's chill, you know. I want them to say good things. Oh shit, sorry, my bad. I want them to say good things about my dog. Okay, not damn girl, you crazy, you's a little cray. But yeah, so clippers scare me, so we got a filer. Oh my god, a filer. Oh my god, girl, we have one toe left. Are these a toe? We have one nail left. This is kind of long. Okay, we're done. We are done. If you want to know all these products, I'll link them below. Okay, and if they're not linked below, then this is TikTok. Go to my YouTube, they'll be linked in there. Okay. Okay, moving on. Now we have ear wipes. These are actually given to us in our little bag from her dad. Her little doggy daddy got this for her. So we've used these before.
Yeah, we use
it ain't always the best, okay? This is where we kind of struggle. Don't mind how I hold her, okay? We're working on holding her nicely. But, you know, it's not the best, okay? And I have nails, so. Okay, so what oh my gosh. What I do is I hold her like a little baby. And I just bend it and I get in them ears. Go open the door, your sister's home.
Bye.
Oh, sorry, my other daughter's home from practice. And sometimes when it's really, really dirty, like a little bit built up. Shh, can you just go? Nobody needs to know. Okay. I just use, look how good she's being. I use Q-tips. So I do actually get in her ear and clean it. But I usually use Q-tips if I see like a lot of nastiness. Like, well, yag me. Yeah, it's about to be loud because this grandpa, he loud. So you're about to hear him. He's dropping her off from her practice. He picked her up for me. Okay. Oh, this one got a lot of nastiness. Ooh, it's on my leg. See how good she's doing? See how good my baby is? You're gonna go to the vet and they're gonna love you. They're gonna be like, she is perfection. Perfect little puppy. It does look like I'm choking her out.
But she's not.
But I don't think I am. Okay. Moving on. Now what do you want to do? Now what do you want? Nope. No. She's trying to go. It's about to get loud. I warned you guys. Okay, next we have wrinkle wipes. I noticed her wrinkles don't get dirty, but yes.
Did you that picture? Does that picture look like I made one white turn? That's what they claim I did.
I have no idea.
They claimed that I was on the outer lane.
Oh.
I made the turn.
Oh. Yeah, that one you guys are like pushed in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, but you see my truck?
Yeah.
It's on the right lane. If I was on the outer lane and made one right turn, you know the back of my truck?
That would have got hit.
Yeah, that would be on the outer lane, right? My truck would be more this way.
possibly. But I will fill it in.
By the seat because
Okay, well that's fine because you're not going to your game tomorrow anyway, so it's fine. Because it's too far and I have nobody to take you. Yeah, but Daddy said no. Okay. Well, he just asked me and I told him no. Okay. 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 Lily is sleeping. I'm trying to get in the wrinkles. Girl. Okay. It may look like I'm a little aggressive, but she gotta learn. They're 11 weeks now. But her wrinkles aren't dirty though. Like they've never had anything like in them. Okay, now we're doing the wrinkle bomb. That is fun. They got the SpongeBob ice cream. So now we have the wrinkle balm. I know people said to also use like coconut oil, but I tried this. So what I do is I just rubby, and let me just get all up in there. Try not to get the eyeball. What finger did I not use? Okay, this one. Thumb.
I ate his eyes.
Oh my gosh, love. And then set a little on the nosy. And that's it. And that's and that. Oh, what does that smell? I don't know what that is. And that's it. And now she's licking the wrinkle balm off. If there's any tips and tricks or things that you think I should be using instead of these, let your girl know. Say bye. Say